my country people, how una day, una happy new month, and welcome to your number one gist corner, Adanma TokTok. I remain your favorite girl, Abeg. And you know the way we take the runner for here now, as it gist the hot, na start the savuna, so mona carry na chest, sit down, cross your leg, gidigba, make we for enter the story proper. And first we're going to look into na VDM where they seek justice for Mohbad. VDM don't go drop audio say na in here Zlatan and Sam Larry been dey talk for inside this audio. And Zlatan can't tell Sam Larry say he no want talk about Mohbad matter. As VDM here and I give am 48 hours to explain why he keep quiet. See now Zlatan never even still reply am. For me I just even tired for this Mohbad case. Mohbad death wey almost dey go 2 years. He still dey hot like this. Anyhow, we go sit down for here, they watch how the matter go unfold. And the second story we're going to look into now the lady will recount her terrifying experience which she gets with one chance for inside Abuja. This woman fall into this victim of one chance just few days ago. Then beat her, strangle her, even collect many things from her hand. It remains small, her life don't even go safe. But we thank God say it no go. But the kind of wickedness where they happen for this our country, it done too much because I don't understand the kidnapping and one chance demons where they roam about when you get conscience. Now only God shall they protect us and now only one feel save us from this country since our government no one do anything about her. We thank God for her life. And the next story we're going to look into na Davido wey be say para for one woman she carry her pikin come in concert for Abia. This woman go carry pikin, they go concert wey be say you know say different people wey mad and wey dey okay they attend. You can't carry toddler go the concert. Now Davido come see the woman tell her say she dey go her sharp because why you carry toddler come party? Anyways, to some people Davido do good and I know say to some people they go complain say why he go do that kind of thing. But anyway, now the right thing to do be that before they go kill your pikin all because say you can't see celebrity for concert. Thank you, Davido. This next story I want to talk about, before I even start, make I even ask una wey be men. Something they happen to una for una hand. Is there anything going on? Cause tell me why. You know una know they hard to slap person. You go beat woman, even join the one we get carry belly, and I go still beat am join. Because tell me, wetin the woman do now? Una no fit waka, una go outside go receive fresh air. Anyways, justice for a sister, because again one sister now we come outside they cry say in sister don't by unto say the husband allegedly he beat the wife with her big belly till she die. Why? That is my question. Why? Make una shall open una eyes and ears loud and clear for onto this domestic violence that they happen because it got stop because now done they too much. Wickedness, fear men. See the 23 hours where they dislike now 24 we get. Use the 23 fear men. That one reason make you find the same reason. The 1 hour remain find the same reason why you go until they fear me. Because now done too much. Wicked people. And the final thing where I go like talk we say make we try this safe from flood because this rainy season where they happen so we never even know when it go stop. You know as the usual take they happen. So if they live for area where we say they carry flood like say we dey Red Sea, Abeg make una keep una property where make una still dey safe because the breeze and the flood where they go before go carry us go where we no know it no go be our portion in Jesus name. Make una shall dey safe. Thank you. So my country people, now here I go drop mic on today Adanma TokTok edition. You know what they do for here and I make you for like, comment and also share this video to inform those when no they informed. But if you always dey informed, stay informed. God bless you. I go see you next time with hot gist. Hey, I see the hot na side the server. Now bye bye. Thank you.
Vibes and Cruise.